Hello friends, welcome to my quick Amazon review YouTube channel and welcome to this iRobot Roomba i7 with robot vacuum honest review. Do you really want to buy this product? If yes, then complete my review and get all the real information about this product. After that, you can get a lot of information and you can make the right decision. Does it worth to buy or not? So guys, complete this review before taking action. I am Raju Bhatro, affiliate marketer, and over 9 years I am working here. Now, guys, I will discuss about this iRobot Roomba i7 and this robot vacuum. Does it really worth to buy? Inside my review, I will discuss about all the details of this product, why people love this product, what's the loving features of this product, what you will get inside the box, and the most asked question about this product. So after completing this review, you can make the right decision. Does it worth to buy or not? You see here all the key features. It's this the automatic dirt disposal empty itself, then Wi-Fi connected smart mapping, works with Alexa, ideal for pet hair, carpets and hard floors. Okay, it's all the key features of this product. Now inside my review I will discuss all about this product and you can get the right information about this product. So guys, let's complete this review video, and if you interested to buy this product, then check my video description and you will get the information, you will get the source of this product. Okay guys, and if you like this video, then like it, and if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and check all my Amazon review videos. Okay, now I will discuss all the details about this product, such as the color, weight, warranty, everything. You see here all the short details of this product. The first, if you ask the surface recommendation, it's hard floor, the carpets and dual option. Okay, then it's the brand, it's iRobot, and the style, it's i7 with a clean base vacuum. Okay, then the batteries, it's needed batteries and it's the lithium ion batteries. Then the color, it's black color, and the controller type, it's Vera, Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Then the price, it's 649. Then the weight, it's 7.44 pounds, and the customer reviews, and it's 4.5 out of 5. Now it's the all the short details about this product. Now I will discuss why people love this product and why you also love this product. Okay, you see here why people love this product. It's the fast, the smart charge and the resume system. Then the carpets are not meant for the Roomba robot vacuum. Okay, then the dirt detect technology, it's most charming technology. All the reviews, when I see other reviews, other customers reviews, most of the people love this technology. Then the 30 years of robotic expertise and innovation. Okay, and it's protect your environment, then always getting smarter. And all the six reasons are for loving people to this iRobot vacuum. Okay, now I will discuss the key features that you will get inside this product, that this product performed when you use this product, and I will discuss the loving features. At the first, clean up after you and itself. Okay, if you forget vacuuming for months at a time, then this i7 empty itself within 60 days. Okay, then the powerful performance, it's the 10x powerful lifting, suction and dual multi-surface rubber brushes that pull the dirt, debris and pet hairs from wherever it hides, in your room, in your kitchen. Okay, then guided by serious smarts, intelligently maps and cleans all the entire level at your of your home. Okay, then the new app, new travel of clean, from these customizable routines or to customizable maps, complete control is in your hands. Okay, then see the other features. Vacuums messes in the moment. Okay, this i7 can target specific areas within your rooms, like in front of your bed or under any of the table, any of the almaris. Okay, then a clean unique to you. It learns from your cleaning habits or to offer up customized schedules. Okay, then the complete control of your clean. With this imprint smart mapping, then your robot knows your kitchen from where your from to your living room, so you can decide where it cleans and when. Okay, all the control within this product, within this i7 robot i7. Okay, then still clear of objects. You can tell your robot to stay away from certain areas. In these areas, don't you go here, don't go here, don't go. You can control your stay from certain areas or objects that customizable keeps out zones. Okay, then more amazing features. There's the ideal for home with pets. Highly efficient filter traps 99% of your cat and dog's hairs. Okay, inside your room, inside your bed, etc. Then the dream team of the clean with impact link technology with the Roomba i7 with robot vacuum and Brava Jet M6 robot map. It's the perfect combination. Okay, then the clean without lifting a finger through the iRobot home app or your Google or your Alexa voice assistant. Simply tell your robot when and where you want to clean, and it consider it done. Okay, and other features, take out the dirty orb. Okay, clean base automatically dirt disposal holds 60 days of dirt, dust and debris within 6 days automatically. It's all the loving features of this Roomba i7 with robot vacuum. Okay, now what you will get inside the box. You see, on Roomba i7 with robot vacuum, then on clean base automatically dirt disposal, then 2 dirt disposal bags, and on North American nylon cord, and on extra high efficient filter, and on extra side brushes. Then I will discuss the most asked question of other users. Okay, can this dumping based on purchased separately at a later time? Okay, yes, if you want to buy the i7 with the dumping base as one package, then you can save $50. And how does it do with long dog hair? It works very well, but you have to remove and check and clean the your brushes oftenly. Okay, and the what's about the warranty and service, and it's 1 year's limited warranty with free servicing. So guys, it's all the basic information about this uh, robot i7, about this iRobot Roomba i7 with robot vacuum. So after watching this review, if you make the right decision, then check my video description and get the source. You see here, it look like this. It's the page of Amazon. You will get all the information about this. Then all the compare with other products, other same category products. You can compare here. Then if you have any questions, you can ask here. Then you can watch this video how it works, then all the features, all the technological parts about here, then all the product information about here, then about the guide, application guide, user guide, manual guide, then other people's review, everything, then other users review, you can get everything, and in my video description you can get it. So guys, that's it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and get all the real information about all the Amazon products and make the right decision. So guys, that's it. Good luck.